Good morning, everybody. When you find a special place, I think you should treasure it, right?
Hi, I'm Lowell Shepherd on board sailing vessel Wahine at Gypsy 402, and this is Pacific Solo. I've set myself the ambitious goal of sailing across the North Pacific before I'm 70. I want to go through the Great Pacific Garbage Patch to a place I've called Nemo North, which is just a notional point of coordinates for me to contemplate life in the universe. Kind of a quirky goal, I know. And then I want to get on to Vancouver, and I had planned to go this year to see my mom before she forgets who I am. But alas, that was too ambitious. So now I'm cruising Japan, learning how to sail, learning more about my boat, Wahine. So please join me as a rookie sailor trying to realize a dream. So first time at the bow, because the auto helm is running the boat and I'm on watch. Okay, I took it off of auto helm and put the motor on because I spotted these first of all on radar. Whoa. There's a buoy there too. And just giving a wide clearance. There's a string of 5 of them. They're probably a few hundred meters apart each. And I was afraid it was a net strung a long distance. So I've kind of gone back on myself to loop around.
Good morning, everybody. When you find a special place, I think you should treasure it, right? Well, I'm in a special place. I'm no expert on cruising in Japan. I've only got about 800 miles behind me. 2/3 of those are in the last 2 months, and most of those are solo, some with crew around the Kihanto. So I've got a lot more to learn about cruising in Japan, but this is a special place, at least for me. It's called Kochi, and I'm in a special harbor with other yachts. I'm not sure how much I'm supposed to say, but the berth is actually free, and they've given me such a warm welcome here at the Kochi Yacht Club. Oops, I said it. Wonderful place, full of experienced sailors. But this is the second time I've come here. The first time was by bicycle 21 years ago as I was chasing the cherry blossom up Japan. And I had a contract from my publisher in England, and this is the result of the contract and the ride, called Chasing the Cherry Blossom.
There it is. 21 years later, I'm back. Last time I pushed the bike up this gravel road. So, last time I was here, the cherry blossom season, the Ohanami parties were just beginning.
And I met a man called Mr. Kubo, who gave me a highly compelling and economic explanation of what the cherry blossoms mean. He lived at Kochi Castle. He had a restaurant there. The city evicted him, probably because of a fire hazard. He came back to every cherry blossom season, now lived a long ways away. And I bumped into him as people were reveling underneath the cherry blossom trees. And I'd just like to read to you this passage from him. I said, "Do you come here often?" "Yes, I visit often, particularly during the cherry blossoms. I have many memories of people eating and drinking sake and being happy with the blossoms." "Oh, I have so many memories," he said. He was thoughtful and seemed to carry no malice towards the city. "Why do the Japanese like cherry blossoms so much?" I asked. I knew I was talking to a man with a unique perspective. He replied, "It's in the Japanese heart, you see." I encouraged him to explain further. "Have you heard of kamikaze?" he asked. He said, "Well, the blossoms are like kamikaze. They open themselves up knowing full well that they will die. Life is like that." Wow. So Kochi is special to me because it brought me one step further in terms of understanding that life is to be cherished and to be precious and to seize every moment. Don't give up on our dreams. It's never too late. So leave a comment below, and I appreciate that. Bye for now.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew, my will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately, the other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds.